Oh, I am so in love with how this house is packaged. You have amazing, timeless design, very durable materials that age like fine wine. And it's in a beautiful subdivision wherein you don't even need a gate anymore kasi gated subdivision naman siya. And the price. Oof. It's a Goldilocks moment. So if you're curious, because you should be, make sure you watch the full house tour. Look at this house. It is so adorable. I mean, okay, yan, sakto, may araw. You can see the shadows being cast. There's a bit of texture there. It's very sleek and modern and timeless. Has a lot of character. And when I say modern, I don't mean like ultra modern. It's more of contemporary, again, in a very timeless form. So before we go through the main entrance, you have a carport over here on the left. Now, you can fit two cars actually. So one dito sa may incline and then one over here. And I love how where the tires are supposed to go, cemento na siya, and then in between you have rocks. This also doubles as your service area. So that's where your built-in sink is. And then you have access to your staff quarters over here. And it comes with an ensuite toilet and bath. And here's something that I really appreciate about this house. By the way, sorry, itong carport, it's covered. So this area is opaque, it's solid, and then this area, is this tempered glass? Yes. So this part is gonna be covered. Pero ditong portion na to, this service area over here, perfect for your laundry. Diyan ka magsasabit ng mga pinapatuyo mo. So sorry, before I cut myself off earlier, I love how the jambs of the doors, I mean, these are the jambs, but like the frame is just cement. It's just an added design feature na, wala lang, ang ganda lang niya, simple, but it frames the doors and the windows so well. Okay, we are in an exclusive subdivision, so actually there's no need for a gate. But they have this little low wall just to act as a perimeter, but it doesn't obstruct your view of the house itself, which again is so adorable. So you have this beautiful wooden door for your main entrance, very solid, and again you have the concrete frame. So I love the flooring. It's terrazzo. It's a concrete flooring as well, but it has this beautiful texture. They use the same material for the baseboards. So it's these. Ito yung baseboard. Ang ganda. And then, tumuloy-tuloy na siya dun sa couch. So right here, it's just solid cement na pinatungan ng cushion with, if I'm not mistaken, this is cheesecloth. I could be wrong, but it looks like cheesecloth to me. So very sustainable material. And then pati yung counter, cement. I got so distracted by the material that I basically overlooked that we are standing in an open area for your living, dining, and your kitchen. So that is your living, this is your dining, and then this is your kitchen. I am a fan of all of the concrete, but it's not just industrial concrete. Again, it has so much character. It feels very homey. I love it. So you have an L-shaped counter over here with your built-in sink. And then you have storage, you have cupboards here, and then cupboards sa baba. Oh, I love it. Sorry, pati yung ilalim ng cupboards, cemento rin with the terrazzo aesthetic. And here's the thing about cement. They last a very, very long time, right? And even when they show signs, like for example, there are some cracks on the ground. Yun lang yun eh. That's it. It's not actually gonna fall apart or anything. It's just gonna have cracks, which remind me so much of one of my favorite materials, leather. So much character. Okay, so enough about the material, which again, very nice. Pati yung kahoy that they used for the cupboard, very nice. Your kitchen has a backsplash. So this entire area, it's tiled, but ito tiles to, so it's easy for maintenance, which tells me that your stove is supposed to go here. So hindi siya built-in, obviously. So freestanding stove yung dapat nandito, and then this is gonna be your backsplash. Before we move on from this area though, can I just say, again, it's just open space, it's nice and bright, and then your ceiling has some wood accents. Those are not exactly necessary, but they are nice to look at. You also have a sliding door sa tabi ng living area that's gonna lead you out to the side of your house. But let's check that out later. And then this door leads back out to the carport that we saw earlier. Okay, so we have two doors over here. This one is a solid, ooh, look at that character. This is a solid wooden door, which tells me that it's gonna be a more private room. And then this one is a louvered door, which is probably gonna mean it's a powder room. Yes, we are correct. Oh, I was incorrect. It's a full toilet and bath. You have an adorable sink over here. And then kita mo lang may heater na. So may heater na yung, I assume, the entire toilet and bath. You have your toilet with your bidet, and then you have a showery area. Not tiled. Sorry, I had to make sure. So you have tiles for the flooring, and then you have tiles for the shower space itself. They actually kind of curved this out for style. Love that. So this is easy to maintain, and at the same time, it's very, very aesthetic. You have high ceiling, which is perfect for the wallpaper that you see here. Looks very clean. It's cement. It's not wood. Sorry, so everything is just cement and then wallpaper. And then here, wait, let me close this, I'm sorry. We have bedroom number 1. So you have this much space. It's perfect for a single bed. It's up to you how you want to slot it in. It's either this way or that way, it's gonna fit anyway. But this is bedroom number 1. It's nice that it's on the ground floor, so it's easily accessible. You have a huge window over here. My window type aircon ka na sa tabi ng bintana. Then you have high ceiling. This currently, you have 2 directional lights or track lights. But I suppose if you wanted to add more, that's up to you. But as it stands, it's already very, very bright. Does not have an ensuite, but then again, the toilet and bath is just right next to it. It's so pretty. Okay, the stairs though. So you have an iron handrail over here, and again, so much texture. I am such a huge fan, and I love how the windows let in so much natural light that again cast so many dramatic shadows. But before we head up the 2nd floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you've been enjoying this house tour so far, please do let us know in the comments below, because I personally love houses like this. I would love to know if you do too. And if you want to see more houses or more of our listings here in Nuvali, or at least the South area, make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Even the stairs are just solid concrete. I love it. Even the 2nd floor hallway, the flooring is also just concrete. And I say just with utmost respect kasi ako, obviously, gandang-ganda ako. Oh, that is very interesting. I will try that later. May ladder, paakyat sa, I would assume is an attic. Or maybe just a window. Let's see. Okay, let's check this one out first. Sorry, before we move on. Yung stairs, sa taas niya, may skylight. So that obviously brings in lots of natural light, apart from the fact that there's already a huge window right here. Oh, okay. So here we have bedroom number 2. So again, very similar room size from the one downstairs, except this one already comes with a built-in. This is built-in, or I think if you can move it. But yeah, it already comes with your wardrobe storage with hanging rods and then shelves. And then you have high ceiling because the ceiling line follows the roof line. So this part is higher than that side. Tapos meron siyang ceiling fan. Oops. Then right next to that one, we have bedroom number 3. Okay, so because of this, I now already know that that ladder is gonna lead us to a nice attic area where perhaps children might want to hang out. Actually, not just children, adults who are able to might want to hang out up there. This is a very nice starter family home, if I'm being honest. Okay, so this is bedroom number 3. Again, you have a very similarly sized room from the other one. And this also does come with a wardrobe storage already. It's like a mirror version of the other one. And then you have your window on this side. Same specs with the pin lights, with the ceiling fan, and then the very high finished ceiling line. And then over here, you have your common toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. The tiles are like the ones used downstairs, except these are in a nice blue. I love it. It's like a very calming blue. And then you have a product nook over here that uses, this is granite. So granite yung ledge mismo. And then the back splash of it is similar to this material. Love it. I love it so much. It's so sustainable. Like, ang dali i-maintain. Tas sobrang tibay na material. And then over here, we have bedroom number 5, or the primary bedroom. This one you can really appreciate the high ceiling and how the ceiling line follows the roof line. You have lots of space. Your bed ideally should go here kasi may dalawang outlet dito, so your end tables are gonna cover that para hindi mo siya kita, pero pwede mo magamit for your lampshade and for charging your devices next to your bed. Love that. You have a sort of Juliet balcony over here, so you can open this up to let the breeze in. So pwede siyang aesthetic, pero pwede rin siyang functional. You can actually open it and let it be a balcony of sorts. And then you have your built-in wardrobe over here. Wow. So it's about 2 meters, I would assume. So parang mga 1 meter mahigit. Lagpas to 2 meters. More than 1 meter yung his and hers niya aside. And then you have your own suite, toilet and bath right here with your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. This one looks a lot like the other bathroom that we saw, the common one, except this one uses a sage green motif. I am so in love with it. And then I forgot to mention earlier, but this one uses jalousie windows, so great for ventilation. In fact, wala na nga siyang exhaust. Ito na yun. Love it. These are my favorite types of windows, by the way. They had a reputation before na madali daw nakawan kasi pwede mong alisin yung glass panels isa-isa. But honestly, the jalousie windows today have become so much better. They look so good and they're so functional. Ooh, I am gonna go up there for the recap. However, I'm not gonna show you the process. So while I go up there, you're gonna have to watch these really nice B-rolls. By the way, guys, if you want to sell your property, yeah, because maybe you have property like this and you want us to help you sell it, you can enlist with us. Make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you guys didn't know, we actually do have a membership channel. We have 3 tiers for that. You can be a Presello fan, Presello team, or Presello fam. That's the highest tier, and you get access to exclusive content like videos, live streams, shout outs, and you actually get to hang out with the rest of the team via Zoom as well. So yes, that is one-on-one interaction almost, well, with the team. So again, if you guys want to be a member or are very curious and just want to hang out with us, make sure you join our membership channel. All right, so made it up here. So yeah, definitely more of a storage and like a little gallery. Kasi may mga jack lights din dito, so if you want to hang some artwork that's like a little secret for you, that's gonna be pretty fun. Anyway, numbers. We have 143 square meters of floor area and then 36 square meters of lot area. 4 bedrooms. 1, 2, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oo nga, 4 lang pala. 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, and then a 2-vehicle carport. Granted, isa lang yung covered, and then yung isa dun sa driveway mismo. You have staff quarters, you have a service area, and then this really nice package of a house is in an exclusive subdivision, kaya nga wala siyang gate. And I urge you to check out the price. Because if this is the kind of house that you were looking for, it'll be like a Goldilocks moment for you. Tama lang yung size, tama ba yung price? I hope that piqued your interest. So if you want to see this and other houses here in the Nuvali area, make sure you let us know. Contact us through our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. See more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our build your owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,